Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best Bissell wet-dry vacuum cleaner on the market. The Bissell CrossWave OmniForce cordless multi-surface cleaner, model 3882. If you've been struggling to keep up with both wet and dry messes around the house, this might just be the all-in-one solution you've been waiting for. Let's kick things off with what makes this model stand out. Right off the bat, this isn't your ordinary cordless vacuum. It's a combo vacuum and mop that's designed to tackle a wide variety of surfaces and mess types. Whether it's pet hair, spilled cereal, or muddy footprints on hardwood, the OmniForce powers through with ease. You can vacuum and mop simultaneously, or switch to vacuum-only mode to focus just on dry messes. That kind of versatility makes it ideal for everyday cleaning or quick spot fixes before guests arrive. Now, let's talk suction. The CrossWave OmniForce features a dedicated vacuum-only mode that boosts suction by 75%. A game-changer when it comes to picking up dirt, debris, and pet fur. And if you've ever dealt with tangled brush rolls, here's a breath of fresh air. This vacuum uses tangle-free technology, which prevents hair wrap on the brush roller. This model was made for versatility. It glides over sealed hard floors like tile, laminate, and hardwood, and even refreshes area rugs. Thanks to the included Bissell Hard Floor Sanitize formula, it doesn't just clean, it sanitizes, eliminating up to 99.9% of bacteria on sealed hard floors. So whether it's a muddy hallway or sticky kitchen floor, you know it's not just visibly clean, it's hygienically clean. Battery life is another big win here. The CrossWave OmniForce delivers up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning. That's more than enough time to tackle most rooms in your home without needing to recharge. Plus, the charging dock makes it easy to store and refuel between sessions. One of the little details we love is the self-cleaning cycle. After each use, just dock the vacuum and let it clean the brush roller and internal tubing automatically. It keeps your vacuum performing like new, and you don't have to get your hands dirty. All in all, the Bissell CrossWave OmniForce cordless 3882 is more than just a vacuum. It's a full-floor cleaning system in one sleek, lightweight device. It's powerful, smart, and designed to simplify your cleaning routine. If you're ready to ditch the bucket, mop, and separate vacuum, this might be your next favorite home appliance. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest, in-depth reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.